Welcome to Python tutorials for complete beginners, from boring people. This series of tutorials will cover through all the fundamental knowledge you need to know to have a firm understanding of Python. After completing this series, we will also teach you how to apply the knowledge to solve real-world problems. You will get to learn to automate tons of tasks in your daily life. From automatically sending message to collecting data on website. On top of that, you will also learn the basics to conduct data analysis, to draw insight from any dataset, and a bunch of useful knowledge that will help to increase your productivity and save you lots of time. If that sounds exciting, appreciate your thumbs up to support the channel, and subscribe for more future videos. Learning a new programming language for the first time is never easy. Nevertheless, the Chinese proverb once said, "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step." You are taking your first step in that journey to become a more productive person. It is going to be more challenging over time. So if you need help, be sure to leave your questions in the comment. This whole Python series consists of 8 key milestones, and will take around 20 hours to complete. We recommend completing it over the course of 1 month. Spending 30 to 60 minutes a day to watch the video and practice. If at any point in time you find it's difficult to commit, you can join our Facebook social learning group to learn with other peers. We will leave the link to the group up here, and down below this video. Alright, I hope that gives you the confidence to get started. Before moving into details, let's get to know a little bit about a computer program. At a basic level, a computer program is a recipe of instructions that tells your computer what to do. When you write a program, you create a step-by-step recipe of what needs to be done to complete a task. And when your computer executes the program, it reads what you wrote and follows your instructions to the letter. The recipe is written in what we called programming language. Much like spoken languages, there are lots of programming languages to choose from. Each has its own history, features, and applications, but they all share the same fundamental ideas. So once you understand the basic concepts in one programming language, it becomes much easier to learn another. If you do not have Python installed on your machine, check out the next video for the instructions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment if you find this video useful. And subscribe for more future videos.